Today we're going to talk about how to properly maintain your Bobcat E60 excavator so it stays reliable, powerful, and ready for work. Whether you're running your machine every day on construction sites or using it for property work and fire mitigation, regular maintenance is the key to avoiding expensive breakdowns and keeping your operations running smoothly. The first step is performing a daily walk-around inspection. Before you even start the engine, take a few minutes to look over the machine. Check for hydraulic leaks around hoses and fittings. These lines are under extreme pressure, so even small leaks are a big deal. Inspect the connections for tightness and look for any fraying or wear on the protective sleeves of the hoses. Inspect the bucket pins and grease points. Ensure the retaining bolts are secure and that grease is reaching the pivot areas. Failing to grease these pins daily will lead to metal-on-metal wear, which eventually requires a costly line boring repair. Look over the tracks for excessive wear or debris packed into the rollers. Clean out any large rocks or packed mud. Check your track tension. Tracks that are too loose can derail, while tracks that are too tight will cause premature wear on the drivetrain. Also check the boom and stick for cracks or loose hardware. Pay close attention to the high-stress areas near the welds. These simple inspections can catch small problems before they become major repairs that sideline your project for days. Next, open the rear compartment to check your vitals. This is where the heart of your Bobcat E60 lives. Pull the engine oil dipstick. Ensure the oil level is within the safe range and that the oil looks clean and free of contaminants. If the oil is black and thick, it's time for a change. Don't wait till the next scheduled interval if the machine has been working hard. The coolant level in the overflow tank. Never open a hot radiator cap. Always use the overflow reservoir for daily checks. Take a quick look at the air filter indicator. If you're working in dusty conditions, you may need to clean or replace filters more often. A good rule of thumb is simple. If something looks loose, worn, or leaking, address it immediately before putting the machine to work. Before you jump in the cab, hit your main grease points. It only takes 5 minutes but adds years to the life of the pins. Once you've cleared your checklist and everything looks solid, you're ready to climb into the operator's seat with confidence. A well-maintained machine is a safe machine. Taking care of your equipment is the best way to take care of your business. Watching. Keep your grease joints full and your filters clean, and we'll see you on the next project. Stay safe out there and happy digging.
There he goes, it's a work